This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade earrings. Let's start by gathering our simple supplies. You'll need a few basic tools, round nose pliers and wire cutters. For your design, pick out your favorite beads, charms, and a pair of earring hooks. We'll also use 20-gauge jewelry wire, which is perfect for beginners and offers excellent strength for your finished pieces. Now, let's begin forming the base of your earring. First, take your 20-gauge jewelry wire and cut a piece approximately 3 inches long. Next, using your round nose pliers, create a small, tight loop at one end of the wire. This loop will act as the anchor for your beads and prevent them from sliding off. Make sure it's closed securely to keep everything in place. With your first loop made, it's time for the fun part, adding your decorative elements. Carefully thread your chosen beads and charms onto the wire, arranging them in your desired pattern. Once your beads are in place, use your round nose pliers to create a second loop just above them, securing everything. Finally, trim any excess wire, leaving about 1/4 of an inch for a neat finish. You're almost done. The final step is to attach your beautiful handmade component to an earring hook. Gently open the small loop at the bottom of your earring hook using your pliers. Carefully slide your finished earring component onto the open loop. Once it's attached, use your pliers to firmly close the earring hook loop, ensuring your new earring is secure and ready to wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.